of April 2022, and we have Piettasenkatu 14 staircase here. It's A, staircase A actually.
Yeah.
And there's one more staircase to go in this extension building, the staircase E, that we can go to also.
Yeah.
And it's Leinola, it's in Leinola, close to the Leinola here in Tampere, tämä Force Finland, Finland. And yeah, this residence has 5 staircases. Yeah. It's in B1, D1391. It doesn't say the year construction, but this building was built in 1993. We have it from the other staircases. It's going to be inspected in the next year. 2023, but it's only 30 years old. And there are bypass here. It's so weird that they didn't put the year construction.
Yeah.
It's quite unusual. In this type of elevator, it's unusual.
Yeah. Inspekteer pakkenwijs met een denkbij komen.
Ja. Probably late 1993.
Yeah.
That's it, and thank you very much for watching. That was all the other staircases. When we go to the staircase,
Yeah.
which will be the last one to be filmed in this national building.
That's